I'm back, guys. It's me, Vlog. So welcome together with my kambing. Shoutout po sa lahat and have a nice day. Ayan, guys. Ito na po, guys. Naka-costume tayo, guys. Pasensya na and thank you for watching, guys. And with the umbrella. Pak, 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 ganon. Pak, pak. Yeah. Thanks for dropping by and have a nice day. And thank you for calmness, sweetness, smile, and enjoy and good vibes and always, guys, and have and safe smile. Charot lang. Update po lang dito sa Pilipinas, guys, ay matibay, maulan, mainit. So the weather is not good, but it's okay for now. So shout out po sa lahat and keep safe always. Keep smile and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much.